Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Igor and I'm one of the co-founders of Operately, an open source product that is focusing on helping organizations operate better. We are dedicated to build everything in public. Our product is open source and today I'm sharing with you why we choose to build a monolith system in contrast to microservice-based architecture. So to put it in context, previously we worked on a product called Sanford 2.0, a CI/CD product that massively utilized microservices. We were extremely happy with that architecture. It helped us scale our platform and increase the stability. It eliminated various deployment blockers for us. It allowed us to use multiple languages in our stack. For example, for Sanford, we used both Elixir and Golang, and we were able to use the strengths and avoid weaknesses of both of those languages. And overall, in Sanford 2.0, microservices were a huge success and it helped us to scale the product and the company. So, given that success, one might wonder why we are choosing our strategy and why are we going with a different architecture this time. Namely, we are going to build an Elixir monolith application. Well, Sanford 2.0 was operating in a very different domain, and that domain puts a very different set of constraints and opportunities to those systems. For example, in Sanford 2.0, stability of the system was very important and still is. The throughput of jobs, the management of various resources that those jobs are consuming, managing our private cloud, managing jobs, virtual machines, everything put stability and throughput to the first place. While with Operately, we have a completely different story because Operately is working in a completely different domain. It's a business application focusing on helping businesses operate better. The core problem is to figure out what organizations really need, how we can really help them find the appropriate set of tools that can help their teams align, that can help their teams ship more and basically scale their companies. So if we contrast these two systems, Sanford 2.0 was always had let's say a large customer base. So Sanford 2.0 was conceived as a successor to Sanford 1.0, and Sanford 1.0 already built a huge customer base that was basically transferring to a new system. And in that new system, we really wanted to address the stability and the throughput of that system. And microservices was a natural fit to that kind of a problem. On a daily basis, the things that we were really concerned about are making sure that the running processes like jobs, pipelines, blocks are never stopping, that they are operating the fastest as they possibly can. We had to deal with resource allocations, massive parallelism, hard programming stuff that required us to separate, let's say, the business logic and the system level stuff in very separate microservices. In Sanford 2.0, we have around 30 microservices, and we are in that system pretty sure that, for example, if we ship something to the front end, that will in no sense hinder the stability of the backend system that is processing the jobs, that is, collecting the logs, that is doing all the heavy processing. Operately is completely different in this sense. It's a fresh startup, so we are basically trying to figure out the product market fit. We are trying to find and build a community. We want to have very rapid progress. We are focusing on the customer needs, and we are focusing every day on how to make it the best product that we can. And for such a system, microservices are just not the right choice. For this system, what we really want to make sure is that it's very easy to install, very easy to operate, that it doesn't consume lots of resources on your system, and at the same time, we want to make sure that the code base is simple, coherent, and very open to the community. So whoever wants to contribute can, run the test, add some piece of logic that would help their companies, and they can wrap their head around how the whole system works. So let's say the main takeaway of this video is people tend to fall in love with technology. People tend to fall in love with various architectures that don't fit their needs at all. And what we really need to focus on is not which architecture is the best on the world, because there is no such thing. You need to choose the set of tools that can help you solve a problem quickest, that can solve the problem in the let's say least obstructive way. That's it for today. I just wanted to share why we are switching our approach to a monolith system. Of course, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please leave like this video, subscribe to us, follow us on social media, read our master plan on operately.com, follow us on Twitter. We are very active there. The GitHub project is also a very interesting place where you can find how we are adding new stuff to the product every day. And of course, join us on the Discord server, where we are going into very deep details about our plans and how we want to navigate the development of this new product.